let's talk about another method of starting your pepper seeds, and that is in the expendable peat pellets. These are fine. There's two downsides to this particular method, and the one is these are peat pellets. They contain no nutrient value. That means after 2-3 weeks of the plant growing, any type of plant, you see the plant kind of deteriorate a little bit, kind of get a little sad looking. That is because by nature the plant has already used up all the energy in the seed coating that was put there in order to get that seed to germinate. At that point, that plant believes or is designed to start pulling nutrients from the soil that it's planted in. When there's no nutrients to pull from, all it is getting is the water that you're feeding it. So you would have to supplement some type of compost tea, organic or inorganic liquid fertilizer. And if you go a liquid fertilizer, go quarter strength so you're not burning the plant, because you're seeing a downturn in the plant already because of the lack of nutrient. By over-fertilizing, you'll see a downturn by over-fertilizing, and you'll see some signs to where you think you're not fertilizing it enough, and you're actually killing the plant that way. The other downturn is when you plant these, this netting, you want to remove the netting because it doesn't biodegrade as it's instructed that it's supposed to do. We still find netting 3-4 years following the plant being planted, and also it does restrict the roots with the netting. So that's another option if you want to go that way.